I want them dead or alive.
Black Cobra 1 and 2. What the Ghana Nigeria combination power. Black Cobra 1 and 2. Nigeria near Brante Hans Anuku. Ya wakasa Americani. And then wakachu na mbeti yebi.
You won't be with them. You listening to me?
Come on, move back. Come on, move back.
Black Cobra 1 and 2. Kumasa to Fonko Castro. Accra Soa. Keba, Kaneshi, and Kwame B. Opera Square. Black Cobra 1 and 2.
Once some people come for that, and they show. This is the first time I'm about to come for.
Let's say, who's me? Me a man in there, me about this. Oh, so feel how about that one?
Abo. Aja boku. Aya. Bra, na he.
Hey, minia. Bra demo.
Dabi. Aja. Man hwi ya. Wono yire mo de bisika bi bia nka. Sabi. Bibi akọ ka papa enye yire de. Pacho bebre. O pese wono yire chem se me yesi papa ni ba menyimi sa. Oye no we. Kudi pa kaka. That's all kudi pa. Eh, my papa jibusia. Busha she on aso. Wa ma me be man mo nyam 47 to me. Ai. Aja. Me pensen fu. Me nye normal. Ba me do ni pe wan be fu se me normal, me nye normal. and na me bufu so ade metumi aye no wo dwene ho asomye wo chi why
beso akwara no oku school enti nasam kana aye dia mame yentimi emfanto nanim ntu de wa beka mate ye ne no ebekasa unse ne nkura na wo maba na oku school no wo nim nyansa so ntu amfa na da kwa bi so ne brother to bia enyi why mesro
eja as asema wakache msi no mental na convince akwala na said mama ka se nicho the next time I come here no it will be a different story because mu nyansa ebe fio ebe je bosia ehye me bose mo ne mba na ba sia owa na se brother sodia ene mo mfa mu jimi kwan so emfa no mmerem nyesa the next time I come here no I will take her by violence. Excuse me.
Hey. Ya kwa ibeti abuti semu. Sikapa kodi nkwasiafo ma yen enyansafo. Wonu di mebe yakwa.
Kafi achi, afia mbepe bibia kama nona. O frefre me
yansema. Mansa. Makoma. Jimse bi.
Ade na yewo.
O sai sika ekwaje no. Mfiedu no. Saaso.
Hey!
Mfiedu
na so.
Aso.
Hey! Sa finchere basa. Utu ko bobi si enshada se de se me de braw. Ka se senyame adom na menya na me de abraw. Se sie. Atemba badabio. Enti Asiwa na papa dogo e besia kwala no. Ebre na so.
Aso.
Asiwa na ebre na so.
Mesi Asiwa na tisi wo fa ko. Akurei.
Mi hunyanka.
Wonya mfie nan. Sisi mfie du abetum. Red ya na de enana ekọ ani na eba wo. Ekọ ani na eba.
Hey. Yura.
Yempew.
Kwala no sha onye nyini. Tiabe ya yenkopa ne twa.
Yenye dai. Ya na eduru me bia me hura okura na mente ase. Ase wonim enhihye ya ewo eni pasitama na amame bia.
Book no lie. Ai. Ah. Yasembe badabio mi huyanka. Hai, na twa.
Isi kuruma me kwekura no. Ibi jama dwendwi. Afi una mokura na ayi. Eni afu ya bebo mama ne so man kwa enyi. Nti de meka chewa ne se eni akura no. Enkasa, o free school ba ya eni nkasa.
Wan je ntrase. Ah. Akura no ba woni eminie ne yaka no kwa metimi hwe akura no nim nkasa asem wan kire no. Obeka chem sense phone na make ka no. Menkwa. Yemiem.
Mansa.
Yemiem no ya be ka me kwa metimi kan kire no. Metimi hwe na nim me nkasa asem.
Denti anwure me no maame ya frɛ wo ne sɛ ye kɔgye bisia bi firi me yɔnko bi hɔ na sika ne kɔgye ye no ensimu a ɔde si ho no yenye sika ne nkotua nti de bia sika no wa na ɛwɔ yɛne na ka bia wɔnte ase wɔsi sese di afɛ di wɔkɔ kan sɛ ye sɛ me de wo brɛ no ebisi anan ansa na ne bo atɔ
na se da ya makwa nti ma me nya adwuma ne ntua ne kɛ ye bi skwa na ansa mpa ebo se afofo na me fa ngo school
abi ga nya adwuma na wo kɔyo
na
papa no wo de asɛm na wo wan to me wo ba bia wo wan akosi ka no kura kyira kwala no wo ba bia wo papa no asɛm ne nyina ne sɛ e kɔgye sika no wo se wo de wo ba sika no na kyɛ so wo wa no wo de wo na yire
ma di asɛm na okay
asɛm papa na me ka no
na me manyini sɛ ma ware
ya ho kyira na ba enti menya ya sa menwu ye no ase
ma jai sa me pesa me pacho me pacho me ma me ntie frida no me pacho
abegel die wo mu ne sɛ enye so wo ware wo si wasiwa asiwa
enti papa yampa
anya wade o asiwa
papa me ekwa me nko ade
Open what's some man. It's a Kawusan can answer out to semi. And I come and crab no could be Bawarana, Sekapa penny, and call Befawa Garden. Open so a cheerful. Papa, Miss Minquabia, open when you don't get back. Yes, no, yes, I'll be going and must. Near kind of saying, can you any the while? You're going. Can you hear the French air? You see him. Oh, why should you pine? Why should you pine? Near what she be. Jaja was him. When you must say that drew me beyond a full crown.
Uncle Bian in a corner, dear. Do you pen or didn't for football? Sicarini Pabaconia Yanko. Mu Yanko. Aye, not catch you.
I said, give me my money, may I go. I go win you. I don't like this thing. You owe me, you don't want to pay my money, Abi.
Dana offer me, you know.
Forget about Dana offer me, Dana offer me. I don't care about Dana offer me. You give me my money, may I go.
Papa,
give me
Papa.
The money, may I go. I don't want that thing.
Papa!
Papa!
What is this?
Papa! What is this? Your father owed me. He had my money.
Jano, 50 Ghana.
Come on, give me my money.
Papa, take this is more than 50 Ghana. Give it to him.
Make lucky. You make lucky.
You
wait that your fucking father can pay me my money. Feko! Feko! You! He said, I'll come back for you. You, I'll come back. See that man, where he beat me. That man, where he beat me. Being this.
This is the man.
This is the man, huh?
Offer.
Go. Walk for me. No boom. Boom.
It's the Ogadi. Central Police Station. You're under arrest.
Aden.
First offense.
Aden,
I'll become.
First offense. We a crowd. Second offense. Assault. Papa is bono.
Yeah.
Third offense. Let me show you.
Yeah, go ahead.
You see this? You see it?
I heard it.
Oh yeah, Bema. Try learn.
Come here, Bema but so. Nasu mi bumra pa.
Papa police.
I'm telling you. Moon come back.
Yeah, go. Chenso your Bema. Cause so you go and carry this man.
I'm not going anywhere. Moon come back.
Oh my for you see me for
me. No come back.
Papa police, arrest this man, no. Arrest him. Make him go. Arrest him. Go for it. Arrest him. Go for it. Arrest that man.
Nipo no jina unu
police by the waste time. Go for it. Arrest. We them. I dey go into the car.
Me go aba.
Oh, go arrest this man.
I have the power and authority. Pass this line in my house.
Which one?
Me go aba.
You want grace, sir?
Huh?
You want grace?
Papa police.
If I come out here,
Papa police, you
will see yourself now.
Go carry that man. You want that man to for run. Don't make the way about.
Don't go.
What's your about? What? I'm making way about. We will come back, oh! We will come back! You! Why are you here? You say you go do what?
I'll bang. Oh, yeah, try line.
You are the man. Yeah. Give it for you are the man.
Where are you coming from, boy?
I hear I'm going to beat police people.
Who told you all that?
I hear them the town or any place I hear them. You don't know me before. Well, let me tell you something. You done better. Request the song for your lovely people right now. What did you say?
Tell them I'm not going anywhere. It's my hometown. I'm here, and I will be here waiting for them.
Hey, Kwaku Bravo. That was told me. There's no problem. Let me tell you something. Pico, run away. Oh, they will come back.
Oh. Papa, mommy! Papa! Mommy!
Bra! Bra!
Where? Papa!
Hey! That's my boy! Ha!
Papa, how are you?
Long time!
Yeah. But you're so looking young.
Waba!
I'm ready for my birthday.
Yeah. And grab it up.
Hey, look at it.
I'm going to say, open the and cut it.
Papa, where's mommy?
Oh, woman, what is that?
Oh, yeah?
Let's go.
Okay. Mommy. Maybe. That's it. You don't need to argue about it, Mom. Men pray, that's it.
Let's open it up. I see a good Jessica to do a beer, your poor tree.
Oh, come on, man.
Damn. Man, money.
When you get the money, man, what kind of money is that? When I work hard? How can I allow somebody older than my father to get mad to my cake system, man? It's absurd. Men pray, and that's it. Oh, hey, why?
I have information for you. That's why I'm here.
Kretri. Na bofu nyam de. Information bay.
Abigail na person of no. Ni nua no aba. Nti hwe yi. Asem America ye fa wo kwa ho. Na wo da ache ho. Krama wo si ni dompe wo mpe kurampo na ye na de. Otutu fam de hye ho. Da ache wo yare.
Ya dede. Em say one cause I don't know whom you are dealing with. In the force you on sabon sama twempra pen. O kaso be moti ayefra eye kitikiti bi. Na sebi chororo kra nyemwe na ko. It is waban mana kwaba. Me ade me pen me fa I take it with authority.
Wonim say asansa wo fa ade wo de kire. Na se wo wani abra wonim so obi ani asoja. Watch your footstep.
Me se obi fa kira me de me fa me mfa nkire obi because I'm too authoritative and too brave to be intimidated by obi akotra bo kira no na bia ya bona ba no we pe wi bia no, but Abigail is my bona fide property and I have every right and authority to possess her. What I say, pa? Relax. I'm in control. But I want you to start monitoring his movements. Step your way to Kibiano. Let me know so that I can outsmart him and outwit him. You understand what I'm saying? Wait to me, Ako. Says come on, you.
Oh, I do.
And you
tell him
why?
Watch your footstep.
That big girl so sense me and so continue she will be dear chiri. You see, me was sebring pound here. You me say you me wa ba mana kwaba. have every authority and power to take Abigail because she is mine. So Wapa, who cried?
What are you talking about? I swear to God, Dad, you are joking.
I've done it already. I've done it.
My kid sister get married to an old man?
Yes.
Almost older than you? Because of what goddamn money? I tell you, I swear to God, it can never happen over here, Dad.
It will happen.
A man older than you get married to my own sister?
Yes. The man is going to marry my daughter.
I'll tell you, Dad. Any money you collected from that dirty old man, you better go refund it. I am in charge now. Men penny, da.
One day, 1 penny. Mimi no one power. Mimi no one power. A power one and some. Shampoo some your catch me. So penny. Open one in now one in the chair. He's going to marry that girl for me. Umpo.
Asiwa, mini binti, na busiadi miasi kano. Asiwa, nefi enyanti, na maofuadi miasi asiwa. Asiwa, mini binti, na busiadi miasi kano. Asiwa, nefi enyanti, na maofuadi miasi asiwa. Asiwa, Asiwa. And you say, "Yana, me pay me money." Abigail. Nanso aparesa. Nanko biani na konadie. Ndio joi pero di ni fufuomo. Sikari ni baba konya yanko. You yanko. Aye na kachire. Yeah. Abigail. And you say, "Yana, me pay me money." Asiwa, mini binti, na busiadi miasi kano. Asiwa, nefi enyanti, na maofuadi miasi asiwa.
Sorry. Stop crying. Look, Abigail, you don't need to worry. I'm back here and I'm gonna fix it. Okay? Jaisu, right. I will never allow that old man to get married to you over my dead body. I don't care how much he has paid. They're going to refund his money to him. I'm going to take care of this myself.
Brother, I don't understand why Dad is doing this. Please just talk to him, okay?
Yeah, I will. Don't worry about it. Jaisu, okay?
Okay.
Let's go inside.
Some of the more thing you can't say na ye. Mimi was capa, come discan boko mama pano. Mama banat nefi. Hey, dimba shapa pay. Papa take gramo say. You can't say na ye. Hey.
Mommy, Papa. You know, I kept awake all night till this morning. I've not had any sleep because of my sister. What I just want to let you know right now, if you owe that old foolish man there, you go and pay him what you owe him. And I promise you, he will never marry my sister. Me catch him, or me catch him. That's it, Mom. I swear to God, or else I'll face him man to man.
Man to woman, what?
Fasika ko face.
Ya na wo yare. Wo yare wa ho. Ana wo bodam. Wo frebre kire ba dia na wo de bae. Wo ka say na kwa tam sika na de akoma no wo yare no.
Mi ko face no. Ade na on fasika ko face no. Ah. Sika. Cash. Wo fa ko face no. Ale be chan wa. Lazara. Fa ko face na.
Wo frebre kire ba na me se me baba wo ya me de. Na Me ko hwe bag sen no kon ase school akola wo ko school ya hye no ho o ko school me ko bie bag mi wura towro ene ayi feeding bottle ene toffee ene wo mu tabro chire ho kra yeso wo mu nwa
wo mu suba no rasta bie ni ho awodware wo mu hukuri yetim ya wusu yetim bo ne akoro no
no wa twetro no ho sa sandboard sa no ummisa no
entwere na egu no ho no se bia wo sua nwom to a me de minim so me tutu nwumi na na twetwere yo
ja nwom to fo nya sa no mote guru ne ayi sa akode ene omunye ho na twetro no ho ho na twetro no ho
emfa ho bia no
obekura watam wiase nyina so na pampam kura no on twetro no ho sa
akodwa ntwidi ya won de ya wodware onu nkwan matis wodware o ma akade enware
Baba Sala. Dis à moi. Hein? Dis à moi. Abigail, oui.
Masa, suma we pede enye nyam to nyame. Eya me Sala. Ade akoku boafo dia yam no. Wabom papa. Eya bigenu abema na sofinu ofinu onu abetra no wan kwaku buafo eya bigenu ni nua no sofinu abetra no me magba na me befra biga wato no bo se sibiri miankasa bom miankasa kwaku buafo emfele ala onim se miemu sirem kai
kwaku buafo atene nsa wo so
we yi ni mangasa me nada
makola me masuma wo. Do you know the implications behind it? Oboso chese say me masuma dia wa bo na say wa bo na say wa bo me even though he can't touch me. Good. Menim dia me. Kona kono pekila ne bi.
Debade.
Kono para ne bi. Eso ba ba mi minti no ba ye to stop me from possessing that which is mine. Welcome into my paradise. I will dismantle and disintegrate all your influences. Miankasa, Nyukwando Befaso. Inshallah. See a tina ho as in penfo see a dine was and a buono so open quiet to the you see many one nantiache I trust you so much it will come as to my catching a bianti commander my bo ababa will be hooka ababa was to few will be a dubra was a commission to abano a branty will be free cra ababa chinchina twan pese o trame manage so but o say en trame so etinam pese me boa me na abrantie no de asem bi to no so na e chi na fi me ho to me no wonya jipenia I will give you 5,000 Ghana CCR
Canada me mano in how skasem de me mano in how.
Thank you commander. You know what I like about you obuabone
but justice.
Justice delay, justice denial.
Na then na hope say yenye ma osisi.
Pese dia sem to no so asem a okrapini so ogye ne hukura enye yi. Na okodi abansem, okodem so that I can enjoy my marriage. Yemi ka chase pa because akola na dwo so mane ma me na bentoa empane to da.
And na I say we play cards here.
Marty. So what come on come say Marty. Bye. It's you be see bia no more swat why. They say no misusu refugee. Whatever happens bia I'll call you so that you arrest him.
Okay.
One for car number.
Debbie, me say sometimes you are not what take is true.
Oh, commander. Okay, na chill. Okay, Romeo, the own for Jay. We quiet your metal vibe. Vibe.
4x4.
Commander, have a nice day.
Thank you.
Meet your phone.
Okay,
fantastic. Oh, good.
Who is that?
Police.
For what?
My friend, come out.
Yes?
Come out.
My friend, come out.
Yes. Police is here with a warrant to search your room.
Search my room for what?
My friend, stand here.
Listen, my friend, this is my house.
Yes, there is a warrant to search your place.
Okay, now if you look for your head inside, go look for us. If you would have thief my money, I don't go grill.
There's dead body in the room.
What?
Dead body?
Yes. Dead what? But don't you tell me that with dead body.
There's dead friend. Let's go.
My friend, hands up.
I swear to God, let me tell you.
Take him.
It's a bloody setup. You understand what I'm saying? Listen, let me talk to you, man. It's a setup. Listen, let me swear. I swear to God. If whoever did it.
My friend, anything that you say will be used against you.
Tell me, Moo. What's wrong with you?
Hey, my
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, move for patrol team number. Yes, sir.
Hey, why don't you myself?
Come on, the thing.
To Boise.
Take the thing, take the thing.
To Boise. You don't hear, right?
Yeah. Let me search you.
Can't see anything, man. Nothing there. Look, that's an expensive phone, man. You hear?
Hey, sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down, sit. Sit. Remove your
Wow. Huh? What? One more sorry. Hello, Madam Doggy. Good morning.
Good morning.
I'm a person. Try to greet me.
Who are you?
Nipana kono. Why?
My friend is
or catch them and say baby or babies even on your phone and I'm available, sir. So, talk baby.
Anyway, would you about catching some about her safe for
then
message never man.
what's it? What's it? We see a short so now so for anyhow. My papa. Like I'm a small boy, but I'm also a person. Who boom big and unwilling. But there was one when see. But young can ask you and trust be with your Zoom lion. We don't encourage you. If we do this job, open gate, we don't encourage you. Bullshit. But all of them, we are together.
My master.
Yay!
Oh, Pimley.
Me pan the chow was one.
Sure.
I would take a cry. I would say, and you may go on my yard. Yes, I'm in debt. We're so young for Tremano. Yapute. Any panel, what wouldn't say? Yanni Casao de Mata.
Messicana Mombaji.
When you scan some, or my mini class with them. To buy and wouldn't quite a movie catcher. I was often on my becker. I found my becker as him. Did you say, dear, we soon after no open the echo? Oh, Papa, I made Jimmy Mabo, and Yamakatia. I didn't know.
Say?
Not one in a corner, in a cat. What would I take?
Only she was alive. Echo, where's our to you? Who are my friend? Why?
And you might be saying, I know. Any pan of fair now in the air. Yabutena, Yakasachan or them crowd, and Catachan. Yeah, we are anything.
I told Mama, Papa, you must say, yeah, then you know, woman, Mammy. And you want a woman. I went to my shin and meaning up for me a more. It is said, can a band me and a one one could be here, Miss Anka Banner. Miss Anna.
Oh, my bad. And Father, my tongue. Oh, I've got my papa in the air. She shall at all, even it's at all. Only so no casa. Oh, mammy, please, Pacho. Maybe never put the hour. You know my friends, I never put the hour. I think.
You say that. And two person is school woman.
I shall have a member.
Da.
I won't hear I won't from a line.
No, yeah, man, in school.
Yes, school.
Hey,
Nefienyanti, na maofuadi miesiesiwe. Mini binti, na busiedi miesiekano. Nefienyanti, na maofuadi miesiesiwe.
Such a wonderful special feel at home. If you am way, I'm an coming to Scooby Doo, Snoop Dogg, and a Puff Daddy, and I'm a gate mine. But no here be a masonte. No one be pipi bat, mobile baby, or a medical doctor, or a doctor Cassiba. Bishop be moving with a question of your good prince in Biaba. Between us and all, by Yari, Ufia.
Into Papa and the woody will be back.
Of course, the bank to the Yamia and I don't want to go here to Matino medical doctor. Would Jerry be a doctor between a cognition?
This the wishing a sweet.
unnecessary dialogue should be able to confirm and be a bremen. Could be an overpower, then you answer what Mamma said to me. Mother said, you'll be okay. Until the refrigeration drinks, maybe our cookies, biscuits, eat it. I swear to my head. Thank you. I see the diablo.
One more time. Papa, you may feel so shame more. Since you have a baby, so I will come to a baby, Papa.
Oh, Abigail. And you say, I'm a penny. Abigail. Nanso wa parasa. Nanko biani na konadie. Dio gai peno di mi fufu ba. Sikari ni baba kaknia yako.
Hey, Konkonko. Adi supoko. Timi pa ami. Diwiasi. Ayemi. Ni triwiasi. Ma jitibi. Ofo nyina chichira yesania. One ni bibishi. Menkwa me chichira yesania. Fi. Wapi semwi asem kesi we tilibetni wiasi ama zeni mkwesi we atomiala mkwesi kesi we ini ampe mfuni bubese so but ne wiase wachie ni wiase fedi ni wiase sabi fena sufro nyame pe Ini penso seniatia pese furious furious amchera nikoda babra Miradi mi jawai. Miradi mi jawai yo jabe kwenti. Miradi nuna bayo. Refill from bayo. Come jabe kwenti.
Tell me the truth. Tell me everything you know about this case. I can set you free. I'm commander of this place. Tell me the truth. Won't you talk?
The truth about what? About a crime I never committed? What kind of goddamn truth is that? I know nothing about whatever it is they found. Nothing.
A dead body was found in your room and you said you didn't know anything about it.
Damn what? You found it. You put it there. How could a dead body be in my room? What's my business with a goddamn dead body? I don't give a damn.
If you don't tell me the truth, you remain in the jail.
You can do what the hell you want. I'm not gonna do anything but speak my mind out. I know nothing about the goddamn corpse you found. God damn it!
Inspector Doe! Come and take him away.
I don't care. You can do whatever you want. If I come out, I get one of you.
Nothing.
Mommy. Ma. Hey, Yamba. Mati said, Papa, ma catch him saying no quick. I'm saying no quick. Papa,
it's a papa. No way, ma. No way. No way.
I catch him saying no quick. Who them Judy catch him? I want to know what's that. I want to know what I want to Papa, come here. Mommy, what's my grandma, Papa? Mommy, and the watching of open woman, if you pass a me. I mean, as I mean, Papa, who could be fear, the same me, one of her, many who browse with not got to move. Take a boy over Shifia, over poor prayer was Shifia. It's so what it.
Mini binti na busiari miasie kano Asiwe nefie nyanti na maofori miasie siwe Asiwe mini binti na busiari miasie kano Asiwe nefie nyanti na maofori miasie siwe Asiwe.
Listen. I see the show when you see.
Upusan saboko. Me ma pe wonte. Huh?
I'm saying all pressure. But on a more serious note, who papa who are normal. Me some papa who. Me quite a very tender age and mammy cross you into me a janka mojanka. Oh, they fortunately, who mammy cry at us in teacher papa qua. A genuine jabitiasi. But Nancy, I'm not but I'm the buy intimaja because I'm in a very good mood. I don't want you to spoil my mood. And you know, you're ready na menko. I want you to satisfy me, you know. That's why I came. The person who separate me. And you know, me person be chinchine crime because me near with a many pap.
Shut papa, mami ka bibin so. So nim. Now don't say so me moi. Mami ya chwatum.
Abigail, me big problem here. But I ain't I'll buy and you have to fulfill it. Please. So oh wait.